Drawing inspiration from the Rockies club colors, purple, black, and silver, the sneaker combines the cutting-edge design aspects for which the Air Max line is known. Nike's tallest ever Air unit, at 32 mm, is the most noticeable element of the style. Because of the unmatched comfort and cushioning this offers, the trainer is not just a fashion statement but also a very practical piece of footwear. The shoe's upper is composed of breathable, lightweight mesh, which guarantees comfort and adaptability for both daily use and sporting activity. The bold style and exquisite details of the collaborative design draw attention to it and capture the lively and enthusiastic spirit of the Rockies. A must-have item for both sneakerheads and fans, the heel counter is enhanced with Rockies branding, and the team's insignia is discreetly incorporated into the design. The dynamic appearance of the midsole is further enhanced by its unique gradient effect, which embodies the team's enthusiasm and inventiveness. SRP is $160.